This presentation is about the 3 triggers that kick off brand projects. So what is a brand project? Well, organisations are constantly running projects to improve the performance of their brands, and these projects could focus on 3 things. First, the brand idea, defining or revising what the brand wants to stand for. Second, brand action, defining or reinvigorating the actions the organisation takes to make its brand idea a reality. Or thirdly, brand style, designing or redesigning the way the brand looks, talks, sounds, or works online. And what triggers a brand project? Well, like all living things, brands go through life cycles, and each stage in the life cycle triggers a different kind of project. It all starts when an organisation or a business is started up or spun off from a larger parent. And here, the brand project is about creating a brand from scratch. Fast forward, the brand does well. Life is good. Good growth, good profits. But people begin to wonder, could we do more? Do we need to rejuvenate, reinvigorate, refresh? And that's when a renew brand project gets triggered. And then finally, stage 3 is when the brand hits a crisis. There are changes in the market, or there's a new ambition within the business, or there are problems. And at that point, the brand project is about rethinking the brand more fundamentally. So these are the 3 kinds of brand projects. Create brand is about gaining people's commitment from nothing. Renewing the brand is about keeping people's commitment before it starts to evaporate. And finally, rethink brand is about rebuilding people's commitment when the organisation has lost that commitment. Here are 3 examples. Zipcar is a relatively new brand in the world of car sharing. The project there was to create a brand. eBay has recently renewed itself in order to profit from not just the auction business, but retailing more generally, redesigned its logo, for instance. And EY, the consulting company, has recently rethought its brand in a more fundamental way to move away from being just about accountancy to being about building a better working world. And it might be interesting to research exactly what was the trigger, what's the story behind each of those brand projects.